So next, what I wanted to show you quickly is nothing but doing the exact same thing from the command line or the CMD. So we have seen it doing from the Visual Studio Code, which is slightly more easier. In this case, I'm going to execute the Python from the command line. So this is the command line we are going to execute. And we have seen this. This is just our hello world application with the input. So only 2 lines of code. It's the exact same application, or the code is exactly same as we have seen before in Visual Studio Code. But only thing I'm doing is I'm executing it from the CMD right here. So the PowerShell doesn't have any childs, nothing is running, and I have executed. So there is a Python which has come here, all the other processes running, and we are looking for any other Python, no other Python other than that, the one which just came. So right there. So as you can see here, if you hover the mouse on top of it, you will see that it is our hello.py. This is the exact same command line argument we have passed into the CMD. And in this case, as you can see, the parent is the CMD. So there is another guy who has started. Don't worry about it. It's pretty out of our scope, the presence of this guy. But what matters to us is the parent of the python.exe is cmd.exe. The shell has started this Python process and executing our code. So that is the main summary of this particular session. One way or the other, your program is started by a shell or some other application to execute the code, and a process is created. And we have seen that from Visual Studio Code as well as from CMD.